What's going on, pranksters? Welcome back to another unboxing video, and right now I'm gonna show you a really powerful device known as the WeMax dice. This is a portable projector that you guys are gonna love, but before we get started, I want to let you guys know that if this video gets 300 likes, in my next video I will give away a mini popcorn machine so you guys can make your own yummy popcorn at home next time you're about to watch a movie. To participate, just like and leave a comment telling me which movie you are most looking forward to watching this year. Alright then, let's get to unboxing this WeMax dice. Right away, looking at the box, you can tell that the WeMax dice will be small, but it is true what they say, good things do come in small packages. So let's go ahead and remove the actual dice box from the brown box. And real quick guys, for future reference, for part 2 of this unboxing I will take a look at the portable screen that I got with this projector, and we'll test out its full portability. But for now, here we have the dice. Cool looking box. Right away we get to see what the projector looks like. It makes you wonder if the image on the projector's box is the actual representation of its size. We'll know once we take it out. One thing you should notice right away is that Android TV is already integrated into this device, and you also have Google Assistant available. The back of the box displays even more specs and features such as Chromecast built-in, autofocus, and my favorite, it has a battery inside capable of lasting 3 hours when fully charged. That means you don't always have to plug it in. Again, this is a portable projector. The little sticker details the projector's physical attributes such as its weight, and that states that it's under 5 pounds. That is tiny. Alright, so here I am removing the official seal from the top of the box. This will allow me to lift up the flap. After undoing all flaps, we are greeted with a very fancy black WeMax envelope. Inside we have a cleaning cloth as well as the user manual, which is very standard, and you can resort to this for troubleshooting, but the way it was presented was pure class. Now let's get rid of more protective foam, and look at that guys, this orange handle is attached to the WeMax, so let's pull that out, and yeah, it does feel like 5 pounds. We'll finish unwrapping it in just a bit, but first let's see what else is inside this box. On the bottom there's more foam, and if we remove that, it reveals a box of accessories, such as the power block and of course the very important remote control. Simple yet well built. It requires 2 AAA batteries, and I had some Amazon batteries handy, so I popped those right in and it's ready to go. Now let's remove the protective plastic from the projector. I undid it from the bottom, but once I got to the top, I struggled a bit. The orange strap that serves as a handle was making it a bit hard for me. Luckily I was able to detach it from the projector, which I'm glad is an option because I don't like it, although I know it serves a good purpose. This is what the projector looks like guys. It's gray with little many holes on the sides, which kinda triggered my trypophobia, but I was able to work around that. On the back we have all the inputs such as power, audio, USB, and HDMI. On the top we have the lone power button. The bottom has 4 rubber feet which are great for grip, as well as a mount hookup for either tripod use or a ceiling mount. The face of the projector looks clean and simple, the lens looks epic, and like I said guys, if you aren't liking the orange strap, we can do without it, but if you'll use a projector for its portable features, you might want to keep it on. For the demonstration, I'm gonna mount this projector onto a tripod, that way I have more control of the angles and distance. It is now ready, so I'll take it into my movie room. So I lifted the screen and made sure that it was in position. Once I had it in place, I powered it on, and this is what it looks like. I had to go through the standard projector setup such as Wi-Fi and update options. It only took a few minutes, and once that was sorted out, I could start playing with this device. Here I have the battery meter, and you guys can fully appreciate the size of it. This is a 100-inch screen, and I was able to almost fully cover it by adjusting the projector and keeping a good distance between the screen and the WeMax dice. You definitely have to get used to it and its settings, so it doesn't hurt to spend a good amount of time learning about what this device can do for you and the full features that it offers, because believe me guys, this little dice has a lot to offer. One of the first apps that I opened was YouTube, and I was blasting some music by Motionless in White. The dual 5-watt Dolby Audio speaker built into this dice did an amazing job with the sound, and I believe that's a must, especially since this is a portable projector. Having Android TV integrated into this projector means that entertainment will be limitless, and you'll never get bored of watching your favorite shows and movies. Now guys, this was just an unboxing video. In part 2 I will explore more of its features such as its portability in different scenarios, and because we do gaming here, we will also see how well it does when we hook up our favorite game console to it. So far I'm loving the WeMax portable projector and I will continue to use it to its full potential. If you guys are looking for a portable device such as this one, I will have the link in the description so you can get your own. You will definitely be blown away by what this little guy can do. Before I wrap up this video, I want to remind you guys that if this video gets 300 likes, I will give away a mini popcorn machine to someone from the comments. To participate, just like this video and comment below. Good luck guys, I will see you pranksters in my next video.